These flying dragon videos are taking over the internet right now. This Instagram page gained over 17,000 followers just by posting this exact content style, and one of their reels crossed 1 million views. But here's the crazy part. I recreated the same thing with AI in under 3 minutes. And in this video, I'll show you the exact free method to make these viral videos yourself. So subscribe fast, because we're starting right now. So to create these types of videos, first you need to open ChatGPT, then click on Explore GPTs, and in the search bar, search for Flying Dragon Generator. After that, click on the first result, and then click on Start Chat. Once the chat opens, click on Start the Generator. As soon as you click on Start the Generator, you'll get 10 viral flying dragon ideas. From these ideas, you can choose whichever one you like the most. I'm going to type number 1 here and press enter. The moment you press enter, it will generate one image prompt and one video prompt for you automatically. So now our prompt generation process is complete, and the next step is image generation. For generating images, we'll use Gemini. So first, open Gemini, then click on Create Image. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it here. Then simply press enter. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate the image for you. So now you can see, my image has been successfully generated, and I'll download it now. And if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now after generating the image, the next step is animating it. And for image animation, we'll use Flow AI. So go to Google, search for Google Flow, and open the official site. Then an interface like this will appear on your screen. Here, click on New Project. After that, another interface will open. Since we want to animate the image, we'll select the frames to video option here and set the ratio to 9:16. Then click on Start and upload your image. After that, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and press enter. Now the process will take a little time, and then your video will be generated successfully. So now you can see our video has been generated. And honestly, it looks perfect and completely ready to upload. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video, and if you found the video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it as well. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.